Put your hand down.
He's trying to get me to not hold on now. Woohoo!
We're going
this one feels lovely. I do like this one.
Oh, I like how tall it is.
Oh,
you get a lovely view.
I do like it.
Lovely view.
Woo! This one is cool. I like this. Oh, it's lovely.
You like it, do you, Mum?
Yeah, it's cool.
To be fair, it's the first one like this I've been on that is this tall.
Yeah, it's really good.
And to be fair, it always sort of scary to come on, but it's not that scary actually. It's a lovely view more than anything.
Hey, loving this one.
Even the wind, you feel the wind when it hits you. It feels lovely.
Oh wow.
Oh, we're going down. How does it feel like going down?
This feels lovely.
Could we get Lee on this one? What do you think, Mum? Get Lee on it. So let's do a bit of the Josh Haywood interview. Who do you think is going to win the best theme park of the year?
Best theme park of the year is going to be completely difficult. We've been travelled to a few, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've liked a few. I'm not sure who's going to win. Do you?
For me, I think Creely's got a good shot because everything has hit the spot this year.
Yeah. I've seen the Pleasurewood as well. They could be in with a good chance.
Yeah. Other parts that I've liked is Alton Towers hasn't had the better years, but the events have been better. So they could be up for a shout because they were up for a shout last year.
Yeah. I think basically it's got to be Creely.
Creely.
I'm going for Creely.
Then out of content creator of the year, who would you go for?
Well, that one's difficult. Who are you going for, Ben?
I think Light Comparisons do a great job.
Yeah.
But it's got to be Theme Park Kate for me.
Theme Park Kate?
Yeah.
I'm not sure for myself. Last year, of course, I went for Amy and Mel.
Yeah.
This year, I'm not sure. Could it be Coaster Shell?
They all do a great job at getting the content out and keeping us informed.
Yeah.
Even though some of us don't say the words correctly and we get some hate from it.
Yeah. I'm surprised to see
easy.
like big ones like Dan and Jack's not up for it, and of course Nowhere Tourism.
Yeah.
There you go, and complete new winner this year.
Which would
Anyway,
be good.
enjoyed the ride.
Thank you. See you in the next one.
See ya.